Locating your funding opportunities. Once you've logged on to the Web Grants application, you need to click on Funding Opportunities link. The Funding Opportunities link will pull up a variety of grant opportunities at the Council, including the 10 regional solicitation application opportunities. The regional solicitation applications all have the suffix of MTS under the agency. Each of the types of grant applications is there. If you click on that, it'll open up and it'll tell you the grant applications that you currently have open in that category, and it will allow you to start a new application. If you look underneath the grant opportunities that have started, on the right hand side, it says start a new application. Clicking on that will open up the general characteristics, including your name, the project title, the authorizing official, and the organization. Fill out this application and hit save, and it'll create a new grant for your organization. Once you've selected save, it opens up the general information. If you want to see all of the forms available on this application, you need to go to Application Forms. This is just the general characteristics of the current application.